Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this video I build this tiny Roadster. But first I want to show you the details on my last project. This is the pedal car wagon I just put together. I didn't put the final details in that video, so I'll put them in here. I'll also link up the build video to this project in the description section below, so check that out if you want to see how I made this. I added the little details like the shifter, the front plate, put the hubcaps on it, just the small stuff. Cup holder on the handle, but my favorite part is going to be this little plaque in the back. I just love the way it looks, the scale and everything. It looks so cool. Alright, let's get back on the Roadster build. So here I'm setting the front wheels. I have it sitting on wood to set the ride height and just give the vacuum balance. Now I can get ready to lay out the hole in the top for the cockpit area. And I got the brackets done for the front wheels. I try not to cut all the way to the ends, just so if I mess up I have a little bit of room. For the long sections I make the cuts with an angle grinder, and then to get around the corners I use a jigsaw with a metal blade. Just like that, kind of. Alright, now I got my front wheels mounted, I got the hole cut, and I deburred the edges just so it wouldn't ruin the trim or give me issues when I'm trying to put the trim on. And I just use a rasp for that. So this is the trim I use. It's like an automotive trim for doors or like edges or something, but it gives a nice clean look, so that's why I use it. Get my steering wheel selected, and I heat up the trim once I cut it, just so it softens it up and makes it easier to work into the corners. And then once it's all in, I heat it up a little bit more just to make sure it's really in there. This worked out to be a press fit, just the perfect size, so I'm just tapping it in. It was just perfect. So now I got all that done. I had to do this first before I mounted the rear wheels because I wouldn't be able to get that end cap on or off, just because how close the wheels are going to sit to the body. Got the steering wheel on now. And you can see how close the wheels are to the latches, so that's why I had to do all that first. So I got it tacked in, and now I can wiggle it back and forth to get the wheel right where I want it to do the finish welds. Both wheels are tacked in. Now I can do the finish welds. And just like that, we're done. I did all the finish welding, added the small details like the exhaust, the hood ornament, the front bumper, and just finished it out. Alright, that's it. We've come to the end of the video now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, I ask you to go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.